Hello, Rowe Middle School. My name is Mr. Dix, and these are 4 of my 6th grade leadership students. You guys want to introduce yourselves?
I'm Rayleigh.
I'm Brooklyn. I'm Aubrey. I'm Arlene.
And these 4 wonderful individuals helped me and Miss Vernon write a NCEF grant, which is the North Clackamas Education Foundation grant, which means that we got a bunch of money for some books because we wanted new books in the library. And these 4 wonderful individuals not only helped us write certain parts of the grant, they also went through and helped us pick out the books that we were gonna buy with the grant. And now we have the books, so we're gonna do a little unboxing for you to show you the $3,500 worth of new books we got in the Rowe Middle School library. So let's get to it.
Not loud.
So, these 4 individuals plus Kai, who's not here, we couldn't find Kai, but Kai was also very instrumental in all of this, and as well as Miss Vernon, are responsible for all of these really great books right here. So, these are all available in the library at this time. There's still more books coming, still, but we haven't even gotten all the books that we ordered yet. So, if you have any of these 4 in your classes, and they have gotten a book that you are going to read, you should thank them. And everybody else, if you see them in the hallways, you should go up to them and thank them, because now we have a bunch more books in part because of these 4 and Miss Vernon. That's really awesome.